Hey, yo, let's talk about it. We gotta talk about it. Come on, let's talk about it. Check it out, yeah. Yeah, my brother is him, no matter what color of skin. My sister is her, although we speak different words. Humanity is my family tree. Every hello is like planting a seed.
Love is a language that I speak with the beat in my heart while everything changes. Follow me, I can see in the dark and make friends with strangers. Fear is deep and it keeps us apart, but love is contagious, and love is my language.
Yo, there were two kids on opposite sides of the playground, having fun, running around like some greyhounds, chased down each other yelling tag, you're it, but their dads almost had a fit. Why? Cause they were two kids from opposite sides of the train tracks, whose parents say that you just gotta face facts. They say that some people are just different, and suspicion is how you deal with them, trust isn't. The kids never heard the word racist. Before that, people just had different faces, and everyone was fun to play with and spend the day with, but the parents judged on a much different basis. But yo, these kids were intelligent, brains developing, good memories like an elephant. They remembered when they played with each other and thought, they're crazy, that's my brother.
Love is a language that I speak with the beat in my heart while everything changes. Follow me, I can see in the dark and make friends with strangers. Fear is deep and it keeps us apart, but love is contagious, and love is my language.
Yo, they were two kids from opposite sides of the border. One's a citizen, one's an immigrant's daughter. He brought her to have a better life and he taught her. For her to get ahead, she would have to work harder. So she did. She was a straight A student, but this other kid tried to make her feel stupid, making fun of the accent she's had since back then. In general, acting like a bad friend. But instead of getting mad when she's facing ignorance, she recalls what dad was saying. In a patient and steady voice, she explained the story of a life full of joy and pain. Obviously so smart, and she spoke from the heart. This is how walls get broken apart. The other kid's heart couldn't resist her. She thought, I was so wrong, this is my sister.
Love is a language that I speak with the beat in my heart while everything changes. Follow me, I can see in the dark and make friends with strangers. Fear is deep and it keeps us apart, but love is contagious, and love is my language.
My brother is him, no matter what color of skin. My sister is her, although we speak different words. Humanity is my family tree. Every hello is like planting a seed. Hey, yo, let's talk about it. We gotta talk about it.